Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your money wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a battle royale between two titans from ELEGOO, the Mars 4 MSLA and the Neptune 4 Plus. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. First up, let's talk price. The Mars 4 MSLA comes in at a super affordable $249. Reviewers appreciate its budget-friendly price point, making it an excellent choice for beginners. On the other hand, we have the Neptune 4 Plus, strutting in with a price tag of $599. While it's pricier, users highlight its advanced features and larger build volume as justifying the cost. Now, size matters, right? The Mars 4 offers a respectable build volume of 6.04 x 3.0 6 x 6.89 inches, perfect for miniatures and small projects, as noted by many satisfied reviewers. But the Neptune 4 Plus? Oh, it's got a build volume of 12.59 x 12.59 x 15.15 inches. Reviewers love the flexibility it offers for larger prints, from helmets to full-sized busts. Mars 4 is like the tortoise, steady and reliable. It produces crisp, intricate models thanks to its 7-inch 9K mono LCD and COB light source. Reviewers have praised its detailed printing capabilities despite the slower speed. The Neptune 4 Plus, though, is the hair on steroids. With speeds up to 500 millimeters per second, it's built for rapid production. Just remember to use the right filament to avoid mishaps, as some users have pointed out. Mars 4 has a laser-carved build plate for excellent adhesion, which reviewers find very effective for ensuring successful prints. Neptune 4 Plus sports a dual-gear direct drive extruder with a 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle. This allows it to handle a wide range of materials, from PLA to nylon. Users love its versatility, calling it the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Mars 4 has a user-friendly UI with a 3.5-inch touchscreen that previews your models and shows real-time progress. Reviewers appreciate its simplicity and ease of use. The Neptune 4 Plus, however, takes it up a notch with sensors, auto-calibration, and multiple connect options, including Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN. It's praised for its smart features, though some find it a bit intimidating at first. Overall, reviewers find the Mars 4 MSLA to be a great entry-level printer that offers excellent print quality and ease of use at an affordable price. The Neptune 4 Plus, while more expensive, is highly recommended for its speed, versatility, and larger build volume, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users willing to invest more time and effort. So there you have it, folks. The Mars 4 MSLA. Affordable, precise, and perfect for beginners. And the Neptune 4 Plus. Fast, versatile, and ready to tackle any project you throw at it. Which one should you buy? Well, that depends on your needs and, let's face it, your budget. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more smart buying tips, and drop a comment below on which printer you'd pick and why. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.